No need to stream how to rip Blu-ray discs to your PC, which you cloud store your favorite Blu-ray discs on your computer. Here's how to rip your movie collection to a PC, including 4K discs. Streaming in convent video, but Blu-ray provides the best quality video and audio you can get in your home theater. The only problem is you have to get off the cuff to switch discs. That feels so 2006, so there are a better way. If you do not rather store those high quality Blu-ray movies on a PC and create your own in home streaming platform through something like Plex, or if you just want to back them up in case or future scratch, you can rip them to your computer using a simply disk ripping program. Here how to do it. In order to rip those movies to your PC, you will need an optical drive that can read Blu-ray discs. A DVD drive is not enough since most laptops does not come with disk drives anymore. You can either buy an external one that connects over USB, or install an internal one into your desktop. Either is fine. If you want to rip 4K UHD Blu-ray, however, your choices are more limited due to their etched copy protection. 4K UHD Blu-rays cannot be ripped on most 4K Blu-ray drives. Instead, you will want a regular Blu-ray drive that is considered 4K friendly. If you already have a Blu-ray drive, you can poke around the Make MKV forums to see if it's usable for 4K Blu-rays, or you can buy one of their recommended drive. You may have to flash custom firmware or roll back to an older firmware version in order to read these 4K discs. This can be a bit never working, but I have done it twice without breaking anything, so it can be done. You can read the most up to date drive for flashing new film for firmware. Here I used an with patched firmware for the most recent version of this guide. Is a program for Windows, macOS, and Linux that can rip DVD and Blu-ray discs into the MKV video format. There are other paid programs that offer more feature like and but we will be using Make MKV for this tutorial because it's free. Technical, it's only free while in beta, but it is been in beta for 50 years. You just need to use the latest beta key whenever it asks you to register, which is about once a month. You can purchase a license for if you want to avoid this. Anyone's install Make MKV and open the program, then enter the key when prompted, or enter it later under the help register menu. If you are only ripping a traditional Blu-ray, that's all you need to do. However, if you have a 4K friendly drive and want to rip a 4K disc, you will need to open Make MKV and see if your drive is compatible with 4K discs. Again, see the Make MKV forms for more information on some drives. You may need to perform one other steps. Make MKV cannot break the copy protection on its own, so you need a description key for the disk in question. You can download a list of currently known